Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in last two video we have learned about life cycle aware components like life cycle observer, life cycle owner and view model. In this video we are going to learn about LiveData. LiveData is also life cycle aware component and it is a part of MVVM architecture. So if we want to make business oriented application using MVV architecture, then we have to learn LiveData concept also. So here I am going to implement LiveData. I have designed a layout. In this layout we have a one edit text, one text view, start button, stop button. This start button will start the counter type of class object, and this stop button will stop the countdown. Here I will write the input value for countdown. If I say 10, so countdown will start from 10. If I enter 20, then countdown will be start from the 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 like this. So this is the process of this, but this 0 will come from the LiveData. So this 0 value will be replaced by the countdown, and that countdown will be replaced by the live information that will come from the LiveData. So that is the purpose of this application. So first of all we have to create a one class for view model. There we will implement a LiveData. So here I am giving a name of this is counter, this class, and this class should be the subclass of view model first of all. So we say view model and we import the package. Now we have to create some object for timer also. So like that I am creating here for timer of countdown timer of this class, and I'm creating one object of LiveData like seconds equal to mutable LiveData like this, int type, and this would be private because I will access this with public method. Now I will create one more value of start value. We can say start value for my countdown, and that would be of int type. I say 0 initial value. Now I will create one function for starting my timer, that is start timer function, and here I will create the object for timer, that would be countdown timer, and here first parameter will be the start value. This start value would be the first value, and it should be long type, not integer, because it's a long data type. And second value would be the countdown time, that would be the 1 second. After 1 second the value will replace from this countdown, and this countdown I am creating with the help of object like this. Here I will override two methods of this countdown class, that is, so I am removing this one, and here also after 1 second, because I have given the 1000, so after 1 second this value will replace. You can say timer, this timer will replace, and we say count, we can say count, or we can say value, and that value will go to the variable that I am going to create, like we can say count value divide by 1000. We have to divide by 1000 this to convert into second, and then I have to pass this in the seconds dot value. So count dot to string to int, because this is int type, so we are converting this count to integer, we are passing here. Now we have to start the timer, so timer is starting. So we have passed the value, we have start and we give the initial value also. After 1 second this counter will refresh the value. This value will be replaced by, after each second the value will come here, we will divide this by 1000 converting into the second, and then we are passing this to the value of the live data starting. Then one more method we have to call, create, we can say stop timer, and here we are just calling the timer dot cancel. So we are cancelling this. Now one more method we have to create to pass this value to the main activity. For that I am creating a function, I say seconds, and the value of this function would be the live data of int type. So here we are returning the value, this would be live data. So we have to import it, and here I will return the second. So it has been done here, value done. Now we have to link it here. For that we have to create the provider class. So I say val late in var, and we say counter provider, and it would be of counter type, like this class object. Now we have to create this, we have to pass here, we have to link with the view model provider, and here I am passing this dot get, and here we have to pass the class name. So counter class Java. So more object we have. Now we have to make a button coding. So on a start button I want to start the countdown. So here first of all I will check if not empty binding dot txt start value dot text dot is empty. If this value is not empty, that means we have entered countdown value. Then I have to pass this value to the counter provider dot start value. Here I have to pass this value, this one. So I have to pass this dot to string dot to long. We have to convert it to long, and we have to multiply by 1000, like this. We're converting into second, and here then we have to start the counter. So start timer. Then we have to create one more method. We have to add the event for stop countdown button. Here we will stop the here I will use countdown provider dot stop timer. So here we have a start with the help of this method start, then we have a stop with the help of this method. Now one more method we have to use, we have to observe the value, and we have to pass this value here. But if this value is not empty, if it is empty, then we have to toast also that please insert value, please insert start counter value. Done. Then we have to observe this value. So I say countdown provider dot second function dot observe, and here we pass this and we pass the observer. So here I have to pass this it value to the text value it dot to string. So the value will come from this counter, the value will come from here from the counter, and that will be returned by this second function. So we are observing it here that this it value will come. Suppose I enter 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, this value come here, and we are passing this value to our text view. This here, in place of 0 we are passing it. So I think we have done this coding. Now I have to start it. You see, if I press start, so it will say please enter counter value. If I say here, suppose 10 value I have enter, and I start, you see 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and I say stop, so counter will stop. Again, if I change the value 20 and I say start counter, so it will start from 19, 18, 17, and then it will go to 0. So this live value is coming from where? It is coming from here as a live data. So this live data is coming, and we are observing this value here, and this value is coming here, we are passing here in this text value. Again, if I start, it is start. If I say stop, it will stop. If I say start, then it will start. So like this we can make and use the live data information in our application. Thank you for watching this video.